Hey there guys, I'm A23 here and today we're gonna go for a lap on the Nordschleife. Starting the lap, now we're gonna go into the first corner, all the way down to first gear, late apex, get as close to the outside curb as possible. Now we're gonna go through here, minimal steering inputs, just to get you across to the side. Now all the way down to third gear for this sort of chicane. Now don't downshift through there, downshift on that. Now go down to third gear for this, keep the car pinned to the apex. The track really tightens up. Now minimal steering inputs through the hill over here, over the crest. Now just use minimal steering inputs all the way down the straight. So now we're gonna come up to a hairpin, you brake right at the end of this curve over here and then go all the way down to second gear. The car likes this corner in second gear, at least in my setup. So now you go all the way down this hill, again minimal steering inputs. Now you aim the car at this apex, brake early, go down to fourth gear, accelerate again, briefly brake, go down to second gear. So now again minimal steering inputs, we go all the way up to seventh gear. Now using minimal steering inputs through here, all the way down to third. Now over here you go down to second gear, try to keep the car pinned to the apex. As you can see, I ran wide a little bit and the curb really unsettled the car. Over here I should have downshifted to fifth, the car really bobbed down. And over here it's like a big stop. You go all the way down to first gear in these cars. So now going to this area, we go all the way down to third gear and up to fourth and back down to third. Keep the car pinned, be very careful on the throttle because it's very easy to lose the rear around there. And through here just keep the car pinned to the apex in third gear. If you go for a late apex you might just find yourself in a wall. Now again down this very long straight, you go for minimal steering inputs. So all the way down through here, just keeping your steering inputs minimum. That's the best tip for speed through here. So now going all the way down to second gear for this corner. Now we're coming up to the carousel one, which is arguably the hardest corner in these cars. The rear really likes to slip out. Try to get the power down as early as possible through there in second gear. And now we go all the way up this hill into my favorite sections of track in the world. Now down to fourth for this. And then keep the throttle pinned down. Even through here. One downshift through here, keep the throttle pinned, keep it pinned, don't lift. Now one downshift through there. And another downshift through here. And one more through here. Use all the curb on the outside, but don't use all the curb on the outside through here. That's really gonna settle the car. Now we're gonna go through using minimal steering inputs and down one gear through here, slight lift because the car likes to understeer through there. And now keep the throttle pinned using as less steering input as possible. Now a single downshift through here, another two through here, keep the car in fourth, and then back down to second. Now we go through here, and now this track is gonna lead to the huge straight. This is like a relaxing time for all of us. After we finish the lap, just a few more corners to go. We cannot mess it up through here. So minimal steering inputs again through there, and brake right at the end of this curve. Go down all the way to second gear, keep the car in second, and then aim the car at that wall, and then that's a lap of the Nordschleife.